people are kind of confused about what is a retracement and what is a reversal. So I want to give my point on this, and I'd like people to maybe, at least embrace my definition. A reversal is something that happens to the medium to long trend, right? And so if you have a reversal, that's a big channel change. Like the channel is changing direction on you. If you take a look at Mattel, if we go back a little bit, right now I'm looking at just 6 months. I'm going to go back to looking at 2 years. You can see we have been going kind of at this slanted downward channel for quite a while. And I've got a whole bunch of extra stuff in here. Let me clean this up a little bit in real time. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this and this. I want to get rid of all my drawings, but where you can see the clear reversal is where Mattel was heading up, and then it had a reversal, and now it's been gently trending back down. That's a reversal. A retracement is more of these short duration reversals that go between support and resistance of our new medium to long term trend. So a retracement is in the medium to long term trend, and it's just bouncing between support and resistance, whereas a reversal is a whole change of the long term trend and the long term channel direction, right? And so we don't we play when we're doing premium selling, we play retracements, and then we get out at reversals. So as far as Mattel's going, the retracement happened a little bit higher than we expected, but that's no big deal. Same with the retracement here. But as far as we're concerned, we're still following that same gentle downtrend, almost horizontal, but gentle downtrend. And we're able to sell premium, buy protection, roll it out, repeat, repeat, repeat. We're actually waiting on this trade for January 21st, the third Friday of January, to get our payday, and then we'll look to do it again on Mattel.
And is this like a 2-year time frame that we're looking at here?
Yeah, this is 2 years.
Yeah. So like it ran up quite significantly, I don't know, for like a year, and now it's creating that channel up there.
And now instead of having a tight channel facing up, it's this wide channel. And honestly, most symbols spend most of their time in this particular pattern. And so if you've got a strategy like our premium selling strategy, most of the time you can trade this. What a lot of investors are doing are looking for that directional strategy, and it's like finding a needle in a haystack, which is a lot of work, a lot of time, and if you don't get it right, it's a lot of risk. Whereas if you go with where these stocks tend to be, which is usually retracing up and down in a bigger channel, that's where stocks usually are, right? It's only every once in a while that a stock, something's in the news, something happens, maybe there's correlation, it'll send the stock on a directional move in one way or another, like Mattel a year ago. But otherwise, if you look at an overall life of a stock and the chart, most of the time stocks spend their time retracing in a very gentle channel. And that's where premium selling is optimized. That's where would you rather trade this strategy where you're constantly looking for needles in a haystack, and when you find a needle, there's a good chance that it's a dud? Or would you rather have a strategy that works almost all the rest of the time? And that's what we focus on here.